Where's your headphones? Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Sean and Ash. We're turning this school bus into our first home together. A lot of people keep telling us we're super close, and in no way does it feel like that because we know how much work it's taken to get here, so we can only imagine how much work it's going to take to finish, if that's even real. But thank you for having faith in us, and who knows, maybe we'll surprise ourselves. Anyway, today we are cutting a lot of wood. We're gonna be making strips to finish all of these windows inside.
You really have to engage your core when cutting this wood. You gotta make sure you're pulling everything out. So I'm really like, for the most part, it's a core movement that's engaging the wood into the blade.
Okay, so might be a little loud. We have the fan going. I'm sanding our walls, just getting a head start on it. We have like so much more wood to actually put up. Water.
Hey, this looks so good.
Oh.
I just, ooh.
What do I do? That's, oh.
No, it's fine.
Oh no.
Hey.
Damn it.
So here's kind of an example of what we're doing. Most likely we'll cover all this up with molding just to make it look pretty, but I think it looks awesome all the way around. Kind of frames out the windows. What we're gonna do for these is probably put some wood glue over it and then just sand it, and hopefully it'll hide them pretty well. Yeah, I mean, as you can see, it's not 100% perfect, but I'm honestly okay with that. This is where our electrical was for the switchboard. That's hidden, and if I ever need to get into it, I just have to unscrew these two screws. No big deal.
Good morning. We are camping today. Yeah, we're at a campsite in St. Pete, Florida, so only about an hour from home. We got here yesterday, but we just woke up. Sean's making pancakes, so it's the two of us, my parents, my sister, and then her boyfriend. Just figured we'd bring you guys along. This is kind of like a little tiny house. Sean's famous
Pancake.
pancakes.
So you want to hear the secret?
Yeah.
Of that pancake?
Yeah.
So thing with pancake is you want the batter to be a little bit thicker than usual. I like it a little thicker, so I like a fluffy cake. Now, you put it in there. You want to go about a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup of mix, and you're gonna go until the air bubbles start seeping through. See these Johnnies? Now we got a couple of thick Johnnies here, so you're gonna give them a little bit extra time, but once these air bubbles start popping through, similar to a burger, the juices start popping through, you flip that bad boy. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna show you a quick flip. This was the first one I threw down, and the thing I do, I'm a little self-conscious about it. My whole life I've been doing this. When I flip stuff, I do this little dance. I go. Look at that. That's a perfectly.
Wow, I didn't even see you flip it. It was like that quick. Single or tandem?
What would you want to do, Em? Single or tandem?
Kayaks? I would do tandem with you. We've never done that before.
Okay, we can do that. How much is tandem?
It's the same. It's 45 feet.
So it's 45 for a single or a tandem?
I believe
I
so.
might have to
So
take
it's
out a
more
loan.
financially smart to just do a tandem.
Sounds like it.
Time to finally figure out this fill hose. Got this little drain valve just so when we want to empty the tanks I can like hook up a pump to that. I'm hoping it's not like too big and like bulky sitting out of the side there, but I'm not worried about it one bit. But I need to make a fill hose work for that top left corner. Now what I'm gonna do is drill another hole and just put a new inlet. So we've got this. I just want to make sure that it's going to sit where I need it to. Holes in the bus. I like making holes in the bus. Watch your eyes. Nice. I installed it upside down. So that's just the way she goes sometimes, so I'm gonna flip her over.